This video is all about squeezing every drop of performance from your RAM and memory to crush microstutters and get max FPS in any game. I'm going to show tweaks that most gamers don't even know exist, but make a massive difference in smoothness and frame stability. By the end, your PC will feel sharper, faster, and way more responsive, even in the heaviest maps or battles. Stick around because missing these could be costing you FPS right now. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. So guys, in the first step, we're going to check if Windows is compressing your RAM, and if you want, turn it off to give your games every bit of memory without extra CPU work. Windows does this automatically when RAM gets full, which is fine for normal tasks, but in games it can create tiny stutters because the CPU has to compress and decompress memory constantly. Start by opening the Windows search bar, type PowerShell, then right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because we need full permissions to check and change memory settings. Once PowerShell is open, type Get-MMAgent and press Enter. This will show whether memory compression is currently active on your system. You should see a line called Memory Compression. If it says True, Windows is compressing RAM. If you have fast RAM and want to dedicate every bit to gaming, you can turn memory compression off temporarily. To do that, type Disable-MMAgent-MC and press Enter. After this, restart your PC to make sure the change takes effect. With memory compression off, your RAM is fully uncompressed, so the CPU doesn't waste cycles managing compressed memory. This frees up more resources for your games, reducing microstutters and giving smoother FPS, especially in scenes with lots of assets loaded into memory. Now guys, we're going to tweak a hidden Windows setting called Large System Cache. This controls how much RAM Windows dedicates to storing files for faster access. Increasing it can help games that load a lot of assets, like textures, maps, or models, by reducing tiny pauses or microstutters when the game pulls data from your storage. First, open the Windows search bar and type Registry Editor. When it appears, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. This gives us full access to make changes safely in the system registry. Next, copy the path from the description below and paste it into the registry editor's address bar. Then press Enter. On the right side, you'll see a value called Large System Cache. Double-click it, change its value to 1, and click OK. Finally, restart your PC so Windows applies the change. With Large System Cache enabled, Windows uses RAM more efficiently to store frequently accessed files and game assets. This means your games can load textures, maps, and other resources faster, cutting down on small pauses or stutters, which helps keep your FPS smooth during gameplay. Alright guys, this step is really important because we're going to use a lightweight but effective tool called MZ RAM Booster. This tool helps your system free up memory that games could be using, so it's perfect for reducing microstutters and keeping FPS stable. You can download it from my official Discord server. The link is in the description below. Once it's installed, open the app. You'll see a clean, simple dashboard that shows your total RAM, used memory, free memory, and even your virtual memory status. The first thing to do is click Smart Optimize. This instantly clears out memory taken up by unnecessary background processes, giving your games more RAM to work with. Next, click Recover RAM. This feature digs deeper, finding memory that isn't actively being used and releasing it. The difference is noticeable. Your system becomes more responsive, and games have extra memory available to prevent small stutters. After that, go to the Options tab and click Recommended Settings. This adjusts the tool's behavior automatically based on your system's total RAM, so you don't have to guess what's best. Hit Apply to save these settings. Now switch over to the System Speedup tab. Under System Tweaks, enable the 3 recommended options. These tweaks help reduce unnecessary memory load and make background apps more efficient. For an extra boost, go to CPU Priority Tweaks and set your CPU to boost foreground applications. This ensures your active game or app gets top priority from your processor, which minimizes lag and stutters while playing. Finally, the program will prompt you to restart your PC. Click OK and reboot to apply all changes. By actively freeing up RAM and prioritizing your game, MZ RAM Booster ensures your system isn't wasting memory on background tasks. This means games can access full, uncompressed RAM, resulting in smoother performance, reduced microstutter, and a much more stable frame rate during intense scenes. Now guys, if you're experiencing lag spikes or high ping while gaming, a tool called Gear-Up Booster can really help you out. Here's how to use it. To get started with Gear-Up Booster, download the tool from the official website using the link in the description. After downloading, install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the Gear-Up Booster interface. The first step is to log in with your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost. Roblox, Fortnite, or any game. Click the Boost button and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the middle server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now go to the Not tab, where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. Choose the nearest one, or let GearUp automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using Gear-Up Booster. This will help you optimize Fortnite or any other game for lower ping and higher FPS. Alright guys, now we're going to adjust virtual memory. When your physical RAM fills up, Windows temporarily borrows space from your storage drive to act as extra memory. If this isn't set correctly, your games can stutter because Windows has to scramble to move data in and out of RAM. Start by pressing Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type sysdm.cpl and press Enter. This opens the System Properties window. Once it's open, click the Advanced tab. Under Performance, click Settings. In the new window that opens, go to Advanced again, and under Virtual Memory, click Change. Here, uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. This lets us set the size manually. Select your main drive, which is usually C:, then click Custom Size. Now let's calculate the exact values to enter. This is important because setting virtual memory too low or too high can either cause stutters or waste drive space. Initial size. Set this equal to the amount of RAM you have in megabytes. For example, if you have 16 gigabytes of RAM, multiply 16 times 1024 to get 16,384 megabytes. Maximum size. Set this to 1.5 times your RAM in megabytes. Using the 16 gigabytes example, 16 times 1024 equals 16,384. Then 16,384 times 1.5 equals 24,576 megabytes. You can use a calculator to make it easy. First, convert gigabytes to megabytes by multiplying by 1024. Then multiply by 1.5 to get the max size. Once you've entered these numbers, click Set, then OK. You'll need to restart your PC for the changes to take effect. Proper virtual memory ensures that if your RAM fills up during gameplay, Windows can safely use the page file on your drive without forcing the CPU to constantly shuffle data. This reduces tiny pauses or microstutters, keeps frame delivery smooth, and helps maintain consistent FPS in games, even when you're running large maps or multiple background applications. So guys, now we're going to unlock the full speed of your RAM by enabling XMP. Many RAM sticks are rated for higher speeds, but Windows and the motherboard often run them at slower default speeds. Enabling XMP lets your RAM operate at the speed it was designed for, which helps games load data faster and can improve FPS and overall smoothness. Start by restarting your PC. As it boots up, press Delete or F2 to enter the BIOS. The exact key depends on your motherboard, so look for the prompt on your screen during startup. Once you're in the BIOS, navigate to the Memory section. Here, look for an option called XMP, DoxP, or OXP, depending on your motherboard manufacturer. Select it and enable it. Then, make sure to save your changes before exiting the BIOS. With XMP enabled, your RAM now runs at its rated speed instead of a slower default. Faster RAM means game data like textures, maps, and assets load quicker into memory, which reduces delays and stutters. The result is smoother gameplay, more consistent FPS, and fewer micro pauses during intense scenes. Now guys, we're going to deal with SysMain, which used to be called Superfetch. Windows uses SysMain to preload frequently used apps into your RAM so they start faster. This is great for normal use, but in heavy games, it can actually steal memory that your game could be using. That can lead to tiny stutters or FPS drops during intense gameplay. Start by opening the Windows search bar and type Services, then open the Services app. This is where Windows manages all its background processes. Scroll down the list until you find SysMain. Double-click it to open its properties. First, click Stop to immediately halt the service. Then, for permanent changes, set the startup type to Disabled. This ensures SysMain won't start automatically the next time you boot Windows. With SysMain disabled, your game has full control over your RAM without Windows preloading apps in the background. This frees up memory, reduces microstutters, and improves frame consistency, making gameplay smoother, especially in memory-heavy games with large maps or many assets loaded at once. And that's it. Your RAM and memory are now fully optimized for smoother gameplay and max FPS. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if these tweaks boosted your performance.